Importing libraries. The code begins by importing the necessary libraries, including the Googletrans library, which is used for language translation. ANSI color codes. It defines ANSI color codes to format the text for better visibility. In this case, it uses yellow color to prompt the user for input. Supported languages. It retrieves a dictionary called languages_dict that contains all supported languages and their language codes from the Googletrans library. This dictionary is printed to show the available languages. Creating a translator object. A translator object is created, which will be used to translate text. Translation loop. The code enters an infinite loop to allow the user to perform multiple translations. Separator line. Within each iteration of the loop, it prints a separator line with a sequence of asterisks to separate different translation sessions. User input. Text to translate. It prompts the user to input the text they want to translate, using the yellow color for emphasis. Detecting the language. It uses the detect method of the translator object to automatically detect the language of the input text. It retrieves the detected language code and its corresponding name from the languages_dict. User input. Target language. The user is prompted to specify the target language for translation, with yellow text for emphasis. Finding the target language code. It searches through the languages_dict to find the language code that corresponds to the user-provided target language. It performs a case-insensitive comparison. Translation. If a valid target language code is found, it uses the translator object to translate the input text into the specified target language. The translated text is then printed, along with the name of the target language. Handling unsupported target languages. If the specified target language is not supported, i.e., no valid target code is found, the code informs the user that the target language is not supported. Loop iteration. The code increments the times counter to keep track of the number of translation sessions, and the loop continues, allowing the user to perform more translations. In the end, let's test this example code.